Most beginners assume capturing emails means buying expensive software, but you can start getting subscribers today without spending a single dollar. Let me show you exactly how to do it using free tools like System.io or ConvertKit. No website or tech skills required. You're not just building a page, you're actively capturing email addresses. Every time someone enters their name and email, System.io adds them to your list automatically. And all of this works without any paid tools. If you would rather not figure out which free tools to use, how to connect them, and how to follow up with subscribers, AI Faceless List Builder walks you through everything step by step. You will also get ready to use email templates and the Faceless Funnel Foundations training so your funnel starts capturing leads right away, even if it's your first time. Want the complete blueprint for building a faceless funnel and growing your email list without paying for expensive software? AI Faceless List Builder is beginner friendly, includes done for you resources, and costs just $17.97. Click the link in the description to get started today.